Here I have UMI Super and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings icon. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Here you need to find and choose the build number, and let's tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back to previous list, and right here under printing you've got developer options. Let's tap it. And here you can, for example, enable or disable OEM Unlocking. You can also here enable or disable USB Debugging. You can use bug report shortcut. But if you would like to change more, you have to of course enable developer options right here. Let's tap OK. As you can see right now, you can allow the USB debugging. You may also enable view attribute inspection and use other developer features. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.